if you're planning an exit strategy for your corporate job, or you're online and maybe you're thinking about a side hustle to earn more revenue, or maybe you've already started an online business, there's one problem that you're going to face that's common to all of the above, and that's the reality of execution. So what is the reality of execution? Once you get started, you're excited. You have a lot of momentum, but then you begin to realize there's a lot of components. Not only the marketing and whether you run ads or not, the strategy, how to convert clients, how to prospect for clients, sales, technology. There's so many things, and many people get overwhelmed, and sometimes they even quit. Hi, I'm Marisa Shadrick. I'm an online marketing coach, and I'm a Ray Edwards Certified Copywriter. And I help people become more visible online. I want to help you succeed online because it is possible to have a profitable online business. And there's 3 ways I can do that. I can help you refine your idea, market your idea, and help you turn your idea into revenue. If that's something of interest to you, all you have to do is click the button below and schedule a free complimentary call. We'll have a conversation, I'll ask you a few questions, and you'll end up with so much more clarity just by being able to get some feedback from a professional marketer and copywriter. So if you're ready to do that, go ahead and click the button below and let's get started. Take care.